Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy S23. And for that we will have two ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can edit the screenshot or you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together. And you're having a screenshot. If you tap here now on the editing symbol, you're able also to draw something inside or to highlight something if you want. Or here at the corners, you can crop also a part of the screenshot. Very useful if you want to capture a picture from a website or something like this. No? And after you can share this edited part directly or with the arrow, you can send it directly to your gallery. And as I have said, there's a second way to take a screenshot, and for that you will need the edge of your palm. So just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. This requires a bit of training at the beginning, but it's a very cool way if you can do that. So the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen, and you're having a screenshot as well. And after you can find your screenshots, of course, here at the gallery. And at the pictures, they're mixed up with the camera, photos and videos and so on. So this is why I would recommend to you to go to the albums, because the screenshots have here their own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something that would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support. And maybe until next time. Ciao.